So in this video, we will discuss about what is template literals. So what is the use of that? Okay. So this is the very useful feature which is available in latest JavaScript. Let's explain you how we can use it and what is the usage of that. Okay. The main usage is it will be very easy to maintain the code and it will increase the readability of the code. Okay, so if you see in the last video we saw how to create the multiplication table by using JavaScript. So I have created two nested for loops. In that I am iterating the values from 1 to 10, then I am just displaying those values via console log. Okay, so if you notice here, let me run this program. If I run this program, you can see the multiplication table here. 1 is to 1 equal to 1. Okay, so until 10 is to 10 equal to 100. But if you see the code here, I am doing the concatenation. So after each and every value, either dynamic value or static value. Here the 9 R and this 9, 10, this and all dynamic, that is called I. The J is next. The first is multiplier is I, multiplicand is J, then the product is I asterisk J. So here dynamic value I am putting concatenating with the static values, but it is look complicated. This is like a simple multiplication table, it looks okay, but when you are writing some complex logic, the code, the concatenation is go more complicated. So to avoid that, there is a one feature called template literals. So we can achieve the template literal by using backtick. Okay, if you go to your keyboard, in your keyboard you have before the number 1 in my HP laptop. Okay, so in the Macintosh, Apple laptop, it is in different position. Okay, so if you take general Windows version laptops, so before the number 1 you can see the backtick. So that symbol of backtick is like this. Let me, okay, you can see here this is the backtick. Okay, so with this backtick I am going to do the same this console log with template literals. So here there is a only one minor change you have to do. Whatever the dynamic value, for in this case I, J, I asterisk J, okay, multiplier, multiplicand and the product, three are dynamic value. So dynamic value we have to give in dollar with curly bracket. Yeah, so now the color got changed, right? It become red automatically. So here red means dynamic value. I'm giving I. Then here you don't have to do any concatenation, just you have to give space wherever space required. So after the multiplier I want one space, then I give space. Then the static value you can give as it is. That's X symbol, the multiplication symbol. I'm not giving inside the dollar symbol. With dollar symbol I'm just giving directly. So static value you can give directly. Then again the what J is the dynamic value, so I'm giving inside dollar curly bracket J. Then again space equal to space. Again this is a dynamic value, we have to quoted with dollar and curly bracket. I'm giving the product I hashtag J. So I'll comment my previous log statement when I save, and if I will clear the log. When I run that, I will get the same output. Okay, so here you can see the readability of the code is very simple. So dynamic is coming under dollar curly bracket and static value directly I'm giving space. Okay, thank you for watching this video. So stay tuned for more technical videos. Bye.